Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back to your online computer class. Hope you all are well and safe at your home. Today, we will continue about our 5th chapter, Advanced Tool in TuxPaint. And in my last video, I will told you about some topics, that is shape tools, eraser tools, new tools and drip magic. And today we will discuss about some new topic, that is, and the topic is, my first topic is edges effect. It is a very unique feature in TuxPaint. We can differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. For using this effect, first of all we have to click on the shape tools and select any field shape from the sub toolbox. After that we can select the magic tool and choose the edges from the sub toolbox, and using your magic wand click and drag it over the entire pictures. You will observe that the edges of the shape start appearing, and after that this effect to one of the stems and observe the changes. Next is foam effect. What is a foam effect? You must have seen your mother washing your clothes. Whenever she adds washing powder to the water, you see a lots of foam. In the same way, this tool adds the foam effect wherever you want. For this effect, first of all, you have to select the magic tool and select the grass effect. Draw some grass effect at the river bedside as shown here. Here you can see then select the flower tool and draw the flowers with different color. Now select the paint tools, choose starfish shape from the sub toolbox and then select the brown color from the color palette and draw a few starfish on the foam. Then select the vine tool and pick green color to draw the upper part of the tree. After that, you can use many brush shape and magic effect to draw the beautiful picture. My next topic is vine effect. I told you about the vine effect, that is, you can see here you can see the flowers and the effect. My next topic is noise effect. The noise effect is used to add white noise to our drawing. Sometimes while watching the television on the TV signal suddenly disappear. At the time you see thousands of black and grey dots on your screen with some noises, that is called the black noise. The white noise is mixture of grey, blue, maroon and white dots like here. Next is rainbow and real rainbow effect. What is the difference between the rainbow and the real rainbow? The rainbow effect drawn a train of the rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area, and in real rainbow that allows you to draw a rainbow that we see in the sky after a rainfall. For this, first of all, you have to select the magic tools from the toolbox and the rainbow effect from the sub toolbox. Then place your magic wand anywhere in the drawing area and drag it to the some other points. You will see a train of rainbow colors as you draw. After that, you can click on the undo button, then select the real rainbow effect. After selecting the real rainbow effect, you have to choose a single point on the drawing area and then click and drag the mouse to the new location. Then you will see a rough sketch of the rainbow as you drag your mouse. As you reach the end point and release the left mouse button, you will see a real rainbow on your screen. Next is smudge effect. What is the smudge effect? The smudge effect is used when we draw the water bodies in our drawing. It is used to mix two different objects smoothly. For this, first of all, we have to draw a blue ball and a yellow ball close to each other. Assume what we have drawn them using the wet pen. Then we have to use the smudge effect to show how the balls will look if we join them from one end and form a new color. Next is wave effect. What is the waves effect? This effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side, means horizontal. For this, first of all, you have to open a new file with blue background. Select the pen tool and draw a field curved structure as shown in the figure. Here you can see Now select the magic tool and then select the waves effect from the sub toolbox. Then read the instructions given by the penguin carefully. Here you can read. Now click on the screen to get the desired waves effect. Let us click at the bottom of the screen for the taller waves. Next is wavelets effect. The wavelet effect wiggles your picture up and down vertical rather than side to side. Let us apply this effect to our picture. For this, undo the changes on your pictures using the undo button from the toolbox. Then click on the wavelets effect. Read the instructions given by the penguin. Click on the top of the drawing area to add the shorter waves to your drawing. Then after that you can save your work. Okay, that's all for today. Now in my next video I will show you how can you use this all effects. Okay, thank you so much. Sai Ram.